Hi friends, this video is inspired by Namita Mam. She is a YouTuber. She is running her YouTube channel. I watched one of her video where she told about self-talk practice to improve English. But the special thing in that video, she told about how we can use self-talk to build up our English fluency. Here, name of the method, ask question and answer to yourself. Yes, this is the method under self-talk. So, in this video, I give myself one topic which is familiar to me and all the question and answer based on my true experience. I write down 5 questions and answer on my notebook. I already prepared question and answer on my notebook. Here it is. So let's start self-talk with Q&A. Topic is interview. So first question. Have you ever given an interview and how many times? Yes, I have given interview and it's a minimum 4 to 5 times. Nice. Move on to the second question. Are you have fear about interview? Answer is yes, I am fear about interview. But I tell myself every time I go for an interview, don't worry Megha. The person taking interview is not a tiger. He will not eat you if you give a wrong answer. Funny. So move on to the third question. In which interview have you been rejected and why? That was a call center interview. I was rejected. The only reason, all the interview in conduct in English. So the interviewer told me I did grammatically mistake in my English. He said you are underconfident. Because of this, I was rejected. But I was happy because I got feedback about myself, like what's the mistake I did while speaking and how to correct them and how to get confident myself, how to express myself with confidence. I feel rejection is part of life and I believe rejection is the way to improve yourself. So what you thinking guys about rejection? Tell me on the comment section. So move on to the fourth question. Here it is. What's your preparation before going to the interview? I repeat. What's your preparation before going to the interview? Oh, this is a very interesting question and the answer also interesting. Okay, my first preparation before going to the interview is I am just write down the interview question and answer and I speak front of the mirror. I rehearsal whenever I go for an interview for 1 day or 2 days before. I practice with front of the mirror that question and answer to myself. Okay, and the second thing which I do, that is I start listening in the same interview day. I start listening a motivational song, one of the Hindi motivational song and second is in English. So my mind go into the confident zone. So what you follow means before going to the interview, what tip and what trick to feeling confident? So tell me in the comment section. So maybe it will be help me. So whenever I go for an interview, I try your tip. Okay. So let's move on to the fifth and the last question. Okay. So the last question is, what did you learn from all the interview you gave? What I learned from all the interview? I learned I'm not selected in interview. This is not end of my life. I know, friends, this answer is very philosophical. This thinking is very philosophical, but I thinking in this way. So all the self-talk question and answer is complete. So why I'm making this video? What's the motive and what's my intention to create this video is to give you some clarity about how to execute this self-talk. Yes, that's the reason I'm making this video. That's the reason. So I feel this is the method which is very organized. I do first time this question answer self-talk. I do first time. Because of the doing first time, I absorb this is a very organized and the systematic method of the self-talk practice. If you really improve your English, you do this self-talk your own. Nobody required to talk with them, right? So all credits goes to Namita Mam, because the method is from Namita Mam. So this is the method. So this is the motive. I just give you clarity how to execute this method. How whenever you simply pick up any topic and you're just thinking about that topic and creating the questions and thinking about the answer, just write down your notebook. So this is the method. Okay, and I am decided to create a self-talk video, self-talk series. I already decided 4 to 5 topic which is I want to make a video about self-talk. So I make series on the self-talk. So hope you get some clarity how to execute this method, and do practice self-talk with Q&A, very effective method. And I continue this method for 1 month or 2 months, and whatever the result and whatever the improvement I see on myself, that also I share with you. Yes. So hope you like this video. So share with your friends who really interested to learn English, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Take care.